Hi everyone, my name's Gio and welcome to the Nom Chop Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken pesto flatbread. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Let's get into it. Alright, we have chicken pesto flatbread today. Sounds delicious. We're going to start off with our ingredients. That pesto might look familiar. It is from our other video, extra thick pesto. We got some flatbread, we got tomatoes, and fresh mozzarella. And here we go. We diced up our tomatoes and we shredded our mozzarella. You're gonna need some fresh chicken breast. Chop that up. Bam! Chop that chicken breast up into cubes, bite-sized pieces, and add some salt and pepper. Mix that up real good. Get that flavor all up in there. Alright, next up, get your burner on, medium heat. You know what to do. Get a pan, get some olive oil, drizzle that in there. Wait for it to heat up. Once it heats up, throw your chicken in there. Now you're gonna cook that chicken up. Bam! There you go. Now once the chicken is all cooked up, we're ready to build this flatbread. Alright, get your flatbread, get your chicken. Come on. There it is. Put that chicken down. Next we put our, you guessed it, mozzarella cheese. Gonna lay that cheese on there. Put a little bit more if you want. Some tomatoes. No tomatoes, some tomatoes. Put your toppings that you want. And our delicious pesto goes all over this bad boy. Boom, throw it in the oven, 350 degrees for around 7 minutes, a little bit more. Melt that cheese up, and what comes out is delicious. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, oh, my mouth is watering. Thank you guys for joining us. Chicken pesto flatbread.